channel. If you are new here, welcome. And if you're not, welcome back. My name is Ann, and we do a lot of makeup related videos. And today we do makeup tutorials, makeup reviews, sometimes just makeup looks, and makeup unboxings. And we are going to be unboxing the January Allure Beauty Box. Allure Beauty Box is a monthly subscription. I think you normally get around 6 products. It is 20. They did do a price increase a few months back to $23 from their $15 box. But you're supposed to be guaranteed 2 to 3 full-size products, and normally we get around 6. And since it started, we've been getting around about 7 products. I did go ahead and cut the tape. I have not actually opened and looked inside. So, I have been, ever since the price increase, I've been very iffy if I want to keep it or not. Because I think with $23, you should be at least getting 3 or 4 full-size products, but that's just my opinion. They do have this pamphlet we will look at in a minute. Okay, so first thing is by Saturday Skin, which is a full-size product. It's 75 milliliters. It's 2.53 flow ounces, and this is the Rub-a-Dub Refining Peel Gel. Makes every day a Saturday. And this is the tube. Okay, so right here it is. It does have like beads in it, and I guess it dries and it don't feel like a peel off. I think I had a little foundation on my skin still. I've washed my hands like 4 or 5 times. Let's see. I'm gonna let it set right here, because if it's a peel off, I believe that's what it said. Refining Peel Gel. So we're just going to let it sit there. Right here for a minute and see. Okay. Our next thing is by the Beauty Crop. And this is their Blush Duo Nourish with Kale, Arona Berry, and here's what she looks like. It is cruelty-free and vegan. It is good for 12 months. You know, I think I had one of these in a different colors, like peach color. And I'd just roll them around in each other. And they did like really good. Here is a swatch of them. God, that's like really, really creamy. I actually like these 2 colors. They make a really good blush. So I do like that. Then we got this is by Base Blue. It is a mini air sponge full coverage. A little harder to open. This one popped up like really good, but the rest of them's like, no. Okay, there we go. So it's just a little sponge. It would be perfect for like concealer around the nose, places like that. It is really cute. It feels like really good quality. Okay, so our next product is by La Roquetaine. I know I'm not pronouncing that right. It's a Reset Nut Nuit. N-U-I-T. Nuit. in Mortar Tile Reset. Now this is a sample. It doesn't really say how much is in it. It is pretty. It's got little beads in it too. Okay. No beads came out. It does smell good. It is a really good brand. It feels like incredible. It goes from a gel to like an oil, but the skin like is already absorbing it really, really fast. Skincare, I'm not really crazy about sample size because you can't really tell if they're going to work for you or not. So, True and Luscious. Super Moisture Lipstick. It's got hyaluronic acid, vitamin E. It's 0.12 ounce, 3.5 grams. So, it's to hydrate your lips. It is vegan, cruelty-free, safety tested. Good for 12 months. Kind of looks like some of my chapsticks. I do like it. It's a really pretty packaging. It's like some kind of metal. And the color is Vintage Rose. That is beautiful. Okay. I've got to try this on. I got a clean makeup wipe. Okay. Love that color. That is beautiful. That is a color I will wear a lot. Okay, I think that's it. Yes, that's it. So we got 2 pamphlets or 2 pieces of papers. Take 10% off of the bigger size serum. P.S. Wondering how to pronounce our name. Lo-E-Ton. Lox-E-Ton. Apparently, I'm not the only one who has trouble pronouncing it. Okay. And that was it this month. I do not believe that was, like, even 6 items. Let me see. So, I know we got the Saturday Skin, the Blush Duo, the lipstick. It's like 5 products. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. This is full size, and this is full size. I'm not for sure about this or this. It is a mini sponge. See, with your price increase, I just don't see it for $23 right here. I don't. I do have another piece of paper. Mani Me times Allure. Okay. This card can be used to skin your nails on manime.com. Right here, they gave you like a $30 gift card for one purchase of a $30 value. Okay. So I guess that is our 6th product. The Saturday Skin is retailed for $28. So that did cover your box. This is not full size. If you're going to get the full size, it'd be $59. But it is like a lot bigger bottle. And some people could have got their Divine Cream. Okay, then the $30 for the peel-off stickers, like gel, stick-on gels. I got a bunch of nail stuff coming. Should be here tomorrow. I already got my new drill in. I went ahead and got me a new lamp and stuff. Are you guys interested in seeing stuff like that? Because I love nail stuff. I have so much of it, and I wouldn't care to share with you guys. Look, I think I got some bits and my LED, and something else is coming tomorrow. I think I got some tips, I think. $22 for the Luscious, True and Luscious lipstick. The blush duo is $10, and I see that it is a full size. Okay, the little sponge is retailed for, or the base blue air sponge is retailed for $7. They did say it's technically a sponge, but this tiny teardrop feels like velvet. It is very different feeling. The pointy end is perfect for placing concealer in the tiny crevices around your eyes. Then douse the sponge tip in water and use it to bounce banana powder over the concealer for a diffuse, not cakey finish. I use the round end to apply liquid foundation. Dampening the sponge first makes it light-handed application, and there are versatiles. I even use the precision end to apply eyeshadow highlighter on the go. Okay. And that is it. So I really don't know if I want to keep this or not, because for $23, it just seems like with the price increase, I think they should actually really like up their game. Then besides sending us stuff like they was already sending us, I think the box should have been better. But I guess that is it. I will leave the link down below if anybody would like to try it for themselves. You do get some really good products. That's why I like with Allure, you know, I think sometimes about canceling them, and then other times I'm like, you know, you get some really good stuff in there, and they are the beauty experts, so they say. So I don't know. I don't like beauty samples of skincare, because with skincare, I just really don't think, I think it's a waste, because you're going to use it a few times and that's it, and you don't know if it worked or not. Okay, so I guess that is it, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.